high time for maintenance work. The track system must be regularly maintained to ensure the best possible passenger comfort and safe train travel. Let's take a quick glance at a typical railway worksite. Comprehensive safety measures such as safety fences and lighting units must be installed on site to protect the workers. The track workers' journey to the worksite is cumbersome. The machinery and materials need to be brought to the worksite by additional means of transport. It is therefore altogether an enormous and costly effort to set up the worksite even before the go-ahead can be given for the maintenance work to start. Once it is time to start maintenance, workers are exposed to wind and weather. Strenuous physical exertion and unpredictable working conditions pose an additional safety risk, and bodily needs must often come last. Sounds a little bit old-fashioned, doesn't it? When will the future of maintaining track systems arrive? Well, the future has already begun. The way forward is with ROBEL track construction machines. For ROBEL, renowned for numerous smart solutions, has risen to this challenge and in elaborate development and trials has come up with and successfully implemented a totally new kind of product, the Mobile Maintenance System, MMS. The MMS concept offers a safe and economically efficient solution by bringing together a work unit, an intermediate wagon, and a traction and supply unit. Customers get a self-sufficient system. It guarantees the best possible quality of work, the highest safety standards, and a high degree of cost efficiency. The system covers all maintenance work in the area of the track: regulation of switches, preparations for switch and track maintenance work, replacement of rail pads, closure rails, insulated rail joints, and work on all rail joints and crossing frogs, including the associated logistics. Let's revisit our typical track worksite. Must the track workers endure a cumbersome journey to the track site? No, because the traction and supply unit serves not only as a traction vehicle, but also has a crew room with washroom facilities and a workshop. In addition to that, it houses a generator to supply power to the entire MMS. Must materials be transported to the site by additional means? No, thanks to the intermediate wagon with its 15-meter folding side wall that makes loading and unloading material no problem at all. Around 50 square meters of load capacity ensure effective and pre-planned maintenance over prolonged periods. A hydraulic loading lift further optimizes loading and unloading. Must work be carried out in bad weather conditions? No problem with the MMS work unit thanks to its roof. Sidewalls and roller blinds also enable working no matter what the weather, and at the same time serve as a glare shield for passing trains on the adjacent track. Each sidewall can be extended by 0.8 meters, resulting in a protected workspace of around 72 square meters, which is perfectly illuminated by lighting fixtures on the ceiling and walls. Emissions are eliminated and noise pollution is kept to a minimum by using electric motors and completely dispensing with combustion engines. For example, machinery and materials such as closure rails can be transferred from the intermediate wagon into the work unit using the high-performance crane module. Optimized logistics within the unit not only takes the strain off workers, but also ensures work proceeds efficiently. These unique advantages are already protected by a patent. Whether short or long distances, provision of materials and machinery, tunnel deployments or comprehensive additional equipment, ROBEL offers a multitude of variants to meet your particular needs. Thus, the ROBEL Mobile Maintenance System not only ensures the safety of workers, optimized logistics and protection of the environment, but also allows reduced costs with planned deployment cycles. For thanks to the MMS, the prescribed safety measures such as safety lookouts, track possessions or restricted speed sections can now be reduced by up to 100%, accompanied by a reduction of up to 70% in setup and takedown times. Furthermore, while improving the quality of the work carried out, The productivity of maintenance can be increased by up to 40% due to plant process cycles. Apart from these direct cost advantages, workers benefit from the ergonomic and sheltered environment. Take fewer days off sick and have a far lower risk of accidents. By purchasing a mobile maintenance system from ROBEL, not only are you investing in an efficient and future-oriented variety of measures for track maintenance, but also in safety. Safety that will pay off. Mobile Maintenance System, MMS. ROBEL Railway Construction Machinery. Great on track.